아우. 오늘부터 이제 손님 신분에서 직원 신분으로 바뀌는데 오늘부터 일 시작하기로 했습니다. I think I have to change the room today
You have to change the room.
because I'm
Oh,
gonna
you're
work.
gonna stay.
Moving into staff accommodation.
Yeah,
Oh, you're gonna stay here.
yeah.
Cool, cool. Welcome to the fold. Let me think. Sophie, you still have room in your dorm?
Yeah, we have 2 beds empty, I think.
Okay.
And I'm leaving tomorrow, so my bed will be empty after that.
Yeah.
I'm also moving into that room too.
And Bellamy's leaving our room to go to Noah's room, so
I also can offer you this room.
Mhm.
It's a little out in the elements.
Mhm.
You might need a heater as well. Let me just show you the dorm as well,
Okay.
upstairs.
와, 이런 공간이 있었네.
Yeah. Is anyone in? May I come in? Yeah. Between these two, well, Sophie is having her stuff here at the moment, but she will leave tomorrow, so
Okay,
this bed will be available.
okay.
Soli is
Okay.
also leaving tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, and
So-
he's staying with me and Luke. And it's his bed, so this bed will be available tomorrow as well.
Mhm.
So it's up to you.
I will take the
Okay.
Sophia's.
Yeah, sure.
Is it your bed actually?
this is mine, yeah.
Okay, so tomorrow.
Yeah, you can move there tomorrow.
We have 2 rooms clear out, but yeah, we have the double bed and 4 single beds. Yeah, who's gonna do the beds?
Do you know how to do the beds? Can you teach Jay as well how to do the beds? So you can do it together.
Okay.
Someone needs to.
Who's gonna paint? You? Only you you're doing beds?
I want to do.
Yeah, yeah. First,
Yeah, it's
first the housekeeping, then the paint.
Okay.
Okay, everybody has a job. Job.
Yeah.
One double and 4 single.
We have to clean 2 rooms
Yeah,
today.
yeah, just the beds. So here's only single.
Uh huh.
This is
Double.
double.
Okay.
4 single.
3, 4.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. Is it family room?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Can I go up?
Yeah, you can go upstairs.
아 이거 다 해야 되네. 와, 방 좋다.
Yeah, it's a big house.
Big house.
Since how long are you in New Zealand?
Last November.
Okay, yeah, the same for us. We arrived in November also. You've been only in the south or in the north?
No, I
also?
was in Wellington.
Oh, okay, good. Oh, you must be.
Yeah.
Oh,
inside.
inside. Yeah.
끝. 10시 50분. 하루에 1시간밖에 일 안 한다고 하더라고.
That half.
아, okay. This window, like eyes.
Yes. And then I can show you what goes in the thought bubble too. It's a difference.
제가 나름 이런 것도 많이 해봐가지고 학교 다닐 때 봉사활동을 많이 다녔거든요. 그래서 복지센터 이런 데 가서 이런 거 엄청 많이 그렸어. 물론 이 정도 실력은 안 되지만. Can I do the painting here?
Corners and everything, because the rollers won't get in there.
아하, okay.
But the flat surfaces can be done with the.
아, okay, okay.
But no paint on this one.
Okay. 개꿀인데? 직원 복지 품 미쳤다. 세제도 무슨 바게스에다가 다 써도 된다고 합니다. 훔쳐 쓰는 게 아니라. 이제 이 숙소에 당분간 좀 지낼 거니까 장 좀 보러. 여기가 숙박만 제공해주고 음식은 자기 부담이라서 날씨가 너무 좋아. 일단 여기가 웨스트포트라는 도시인데 도시가 엄청 작고 걸어서도 다 다닐 수 있는 정도? 이런 게 잘 돼 있어. 마음대로 골라 먹을 수 있는 견과류, 젤리도 있고 뭐 초콜릿도 있고. 달아. 보기만 해도 달아. 전 또 할비의 입맛이라서 이런 거 견과류 달걀도 한 그릇 사놔야지. 이거 한국 고추 참치 맛이랑 똑같은 거 1.79불. 다른 맛도 한번 사보자. 라임 칠리 이거 사보자. 오씨 마요네즈 맛이 있어. 우와 안 그래도 기름진데 여기 느끼함을 더 더했어. 뭐야 나 사타이가 뭔가 싶었는데 솔트 비슷한 건가 싶었는데 보니까 견과류 같은 느낌이 있네. 이것도 하나 사보자. 연어도 맛있더라고. 2개 사놓자. 슈퍼 세이버라는데? 얼마나 세이버가 되길래. 그람당 14.5불. 나눠서 냉장 보관하면 또 먹을 수 있으니까 다사 잔뜩 사놔야 돼. 장 보는 게 너무 귀찮아. 이것도 하나 사야겠다. 이거는 볶음밥 할 때 또 야채 썰고 이렇게 귀찮을 때 넣으면은 욕이 나긴 하거든요.
Yeah, I just got like high grade flour. This thing, baking soda, is it waste? It's for free, so it's not necessarily like no waste. Are you making baguette? Yeah, I will try. Today? Tomorrow? Yeah, I will try to do it today, but you need to wait 24 hours
오케이.
in the fridge. So tomorrow you can try and you will taste the baguette.
오케이.
But I'm not a good baker.
It's okay. That's okay.
Why do they have
프랑스 친구인데 프랑스 하면 빵이잖아요. 뉴질랜드 빵 그렇게 맛없어. 닭가슴살 볶음밥과 소박 한 반찬. 김치도 아껴 먹어야 돼. 여기에 한인마트가 없어. 아시아마트조차 없고. 야, 간을 누가 했냐? 너무 맛있다 이거. 여기 손님도 없는데 사장님은 이렇게 직원을 많이 두고 뭘로 숙소를 유지하나 몰라. 유추해보는 건데 여름에 바짝 벌고 겨울에 좀 쉬지 않나. 왜냐면 서핑이 약간 좀 비싸고 40불. 그리고 저기 피자가 있는데 단체 손님 거의 이제 피자를 먹는데요. 여기서 피자 한 판에 20불. 와 큰일났다. 김치 내가 봤을 땐 내일 아니면 내일 모레 안으로 끝난다. Baguette from France.
Baguette from France. Yes, exactly.
하이브리드는 강력분 뭐 이런 건가?
It's oil.
Olive.
Olive
Ah.
oil, yeah.
Did you put only this? More?
Yeah, only. Well, if it's good, I give you the recipe.
Okay.
This one is just with one.
Thank you.
Especially for you. Because I knew you wanted to have an almond croissant, and there was a lot of leftovers, so I was like, can I take one whole thing? Hey, fucker.
Hey, I just gave it to Bellamy.
I have croissants. Do you want one on the way to work?
I mean, if you're offering,
Yeah, I have here.
Oh,
This
you're
is an
amazing.
almond croissant.
it looks so fancy.
I know. We made them.
저 친구가 빵집에서 일하는데 제가 그냥 아몬드 크루아상 혹시 파냐고 물어봤거든요. 제가 아몬드 크루아상 너무 좋아해가지고 가서 사 먹으려고 했는데 남는 걸 쌓았네. 와씨 겁나 커.
Is it nice?
Yeah, it's bigger than my face.
You're not going small. You're never
Wow.
going small. Yes? It's good? Yes.
너무 맛있다.
By the way, the one that I was watching, the Korean series, it's a really, really good one.
Which one?
Bloodhound.
Bloodhouse.
Hound.
Bloodhouse. I don't know what it is. I've never heard it.
It's on Netflix, so but it's a Korean series and it's really, really good.
Okay. Do we have a gym here?
Yes, we do have a gym.
How much is for
$15.
$15? Do you have any plan like 1 month, monthly?
For members for 1 month, then it's $60 a month. Would you like the forms to fill out?
Can I just have a look first?
Yeah, you can go around and have a look.
우와 농구 코트야? 농구 코트도 있네. 있을만한 거 다 있다. 한 달에 5만원 나쁘지 않은데? 60불 결제. 여기 헬스장 문화가 있는데 자기 썼던 기구들은 무조건 다 닦아야 돼. 이 세정제까지 뿌려가지고. 개인적으로 막 위생에 크게 관여 안 하는 사람으로서 너무 휴지 낭비지 않나. 우리나라처럼 땀 닦는 용도로 수건을 배치해 놓는다던가 다른 조치가 있으면 좋을 것 같은데 휴지를 너무 많이 써. 그래서 쓰레기통 보면은 휴지가 엄청 많아. 정작 손에 직접 닿는 담배는 아무도 안 닦아.
No, it's actually good.
Show me your pizza, chef.
오, 나이스.
Mushroom,
Capsicum.
capsicum, cheese,
Salami.
salami, pepperoni, onion,
No.
pasta sauce.
Difficult to get it all the way under the pizza. Well,
피자는 한 번도 안
get it halfway
했지만
under and just.
내가 먹을 거니까.
It's trial and error.
Wait, what?
Oh,
It's
it's right.
Bring it in a
We
bebop.
heat them a little bit first so that they slide around. It's okay, but if you just stop with the sauce for 1 second. So this one you can make, but not this one.
오케이.
This one needs to be cooked a little bit first.
아, 구운.
Base
First
to be
bake.
cooked
아, 오케이, 오케이.
and
I didn't know that.
It's okay. No, it's no worries. As long as it goes, it's gone to this side,
Yeah.
or else they'll get stuck to the bottom.
아,
Because once you put everything on top, they're heavy.
아, 오케이,
So we cook them a little bit so they're a bit less sticky.
And
so you can put what you want on it.
okay.
Yeah. So the
So excited.
Yes.
I've never tried before. 다 좋아하니까. 많이. 너무 많이 하는 것 같은데? I think it's too much.
no, it's never too much.
No worry. 치즈를 골고루 해야겠어. 와우.
Look at that. Is it your pizza? Yeah. Nice.
Little overdone, but that's okay.
Hey, where am I going?
What are you doing?
Why are you taking it off the thing?
I don't want to cheese.
No! What are you doing? Don't be crazy.
You wanna cut the table?
Are you okay, table? We're sorry. We're sorry.
There you go.
Thank you.
Jesus Christ, she was coming to take one. You're so
Yeah, and then you can just use your hand to kind of shimmy it on. Perfect.
Oh, perfect.
Look at so crazy in love. Coming, look at coming, look at so crazy in love.
Oh,
Noah,
wow.
I owe you a slice of pizza.
What?
I owe you a slice of pizza.
Did you burn it?
I didn't burn it, I fucked it
It's
up.
only 9 thirds burnt.
It's because what it means is that you made it wrong. That it's quite hot. Yours is probably almost ready.
확인해 봅시다. 꺼내는 게 일이야. 와우, 최고다.
So I don't get blamed.
No, I can now I can still use you for
I
it.
feel like there's quite a lot of debate. Pizza size.
Oh,
Yours
nice.
looks good.
Perfect.
Yours is good.
Go
We
with
have a
it.
new pizza chef, everybody.
Yeah. This is actually everyone's trial. For something to scoop it.
Like,
That's like the other half of my Pac-Man.
So you
Oh my god. What did you do?
Nothing.
It looks like it opened, but somebody already have eaten it. Somebody was like, no, no, no. I was like, nah, dude.
다음 바로 시작. Let's go. Why? Why are you following me?
What happened to rice?
Huh?
What happened to rice? Can I have some money? I'm broke.
아, 유튜브에 괜히 말했네. Don't follow me. 말은 잘 듣네. Have a good time. Have a good time.
Another time?
Have a good time. 그만. 때마치 종이치네. 아짜 30분 탔고 400칼로리 태웠다. 평균 페이스 38이 좀 아쉽지만 깨우네. 야, 경치 죽인다. 지금 며칠 안 있어 봐서 이렇게 느낀 걸 수 있지만 지금 너무 만족스럽고, 여기 숙소에 온 게 숙소를 너무 잘 만났지 않나 싶습니다. 일단은 지내보고 만족스러우면 더 연장할 수도 있고, 굉장히 사장님이 프리하셔가지고 더 있고 싶으면 더 있고 뭐 일찍 나가려면 나가고 약간 내 집 드나들듯이 왔다 가라 요런 마인드시더라고. 아무튼 오늘 영상은 여기서 마무리하고 다음 영상에서 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다.